Good day, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to look at other ways to make money from YouTube. So, some of these you can do without even having your channel monetized, which is great. So, you can start small and you'll be able to do some of these things. The first thing that we're going to look at is affiliated links. Now, affiliated links are when you get a link to a specific website that if someone clicks on it, you earn commission if they buy something. Sounds pretty cool, right? And one of the biggest places for this is Amazon. So let's switch to Amazon. So as you see on my screen, you'll see Amazon Associates up here. You'll see my store up here, Lightsaber A09-20. And you can do it in different countries. United States, United Kingdom, Japan, Canada, where I'm located, Brazil, India, Mexico, Australia, so on and so forth. So what you do is put in you want to make a link. So say you have a Blue Yeti USB microphone, which I do. Well, what you would do is put that as a search. And then what you do is you're going to get a link for that. All right. So let's do this right now. All right. So let's look up Blue Yeti silver. I got the silver Blue Yeti. All right. So as you see, my Blue Yeti is right here at the top. Price is $126.28. So if I want to get a link for that, what I'll do is get link. I usually go to just text only because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link directly in the description of my YouTube channel. So you could put the HTML here, you copy paste. I go with a short link. So all you do is copy that, copy your link, and then on your channel, you could put Blue Yeti USB microphone and paste the link. So now if someone clicks your link, they're going to go to your page, and if they buy it, you get commission from it. Pretty awesome, right? Now, you know what's even more awesome is that if they do any other purchases within a 24-hour period, you get commission from that also. Isn't that awesome? So it could really be beneficial to you to actually use the affiliated links part. Now, there's other places that you can use it to. I've done TubeBuddy that you use for YouTube searches and try and make your channel better. I have a thing for YouTubeBuddy and an affiliate link, so if enough people go on it, I'll get some sort of bonus. Pretty awesome. I also have like my own shop where on Amazon, where if you go, you can see all the different things that I have that I got. Say a lot of my toys that I have back there and stuff like that. You click on that and you help out the channel. You buy something, it's awesome. So that's what I suggest. Try affiliated links. The next thing to talk about is merchandise. You can sell merchandise on your YouTube channel. So what you do, go to a place. I use Teespring, and you can make your own shirts, phone covers, mugs, different sorts of things. And people can come to your storefront on Teespring and they can purchase stuff, and you get a commission out of what they buy. So that's pretty convenient. They get something out of it, but also you do too. So this requires you making your own graphics. You don't want to copyright anything. So you want to make your own graphics. And I'm not going to show you how you do that here, but it's really easy to learn through Teespring. They have a little course that you can do also that will help you out. So yeah, selling merch can be a good way to make some money. Now, one of the last things that we'll talk about is sponsored videos. Sponsored videos are videos where you a company will support you, and they may give you a certain amount of money for placing an ad on your channel. They may give you a product that you can use, that you could review, and stuff like that. Usually people for sponsors don't really happen till after you're over about the 10,000 subscriber mark. Although I know there's a few places where you can go that they'll do about 5,000 subscribers and help you out. But it's definitely, for something like this, they want the views. So they're going to want to make sure you have a higher subscriber count and a high view count. So you may have to wait for sponsorship later on, but sponsorship can really help you out with raising more money, along with all these other things that I'm showing you. And again, all these things can go in your description. Put it in default, your upload defaults, and you'll be awesome. Yeah, so having your merch store, your affiliated links with TubeBuddy, Amazon store, personal equipment that you're using currently, people love that. They want to know what you're using, and you can send them right to the direct spot where they can go buy it, and it helps your channel out also. So some of these things I definitely recommend, even before you even hit 1,000 subscribers, to monetize your YouTube channel. Some things you may want to wait for a bit, like a sponsor. More than likely, they won't bother sponsoring you if you're under a certain amount of subscribers. But you can definitely sell merch, especially if it's really good merch. And you can have affiliated links where people can go buy stuff that you already have, or things you reviewed, and you get a cut of the profit. So those are a few things that you can make money off of your YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll come back with you. I'm not sure what the next video for YouTube's going to be, but I'm sure it'll be a really good one. All right? Take care. Have a great day.